Welcome to Busy Animals and Friends.
Day 4. Putting toys away.
Wow, so many blocks. I'll build something big. Toy cars, there they are. I see you. Time to clean up my cars. Goes in first. All done. Now they're neat. Wow, my room is so much cleaner now. I put all my toys away. Ooh, crayons. Time to clean up. There you go. Yay, already. Wow, puzzle pieces. They're shining in the sun. This is my favorite. Gone. In you go. Yay, all done. Wow, my room is all clean. Yay, so much space to play. Time to fix my pillow. All smooth and cozy.
Toys are scattered on the floor, blocks and cars and so much more. Pick them up and put them right, make our room so clean and bright. Let's put our toys away, hooray! Tidying up is fun today. Teddy bears and crayons too, we can do it, me and you. Hey.
Okay, cars in the bin. Yay, you're doing great. Now the books on the shelf. Great, all right.
Puzzle pieces, books in line. neat and bright, we did it all, oh what a sight. Toys all resting nice and sound, clean and happy, look around.